Welcome to Safety Vests. You're here watching this video because you want to order custom printed safety vests. If you are wanting just simple wording on your vests, it's best that you go to this page because it is cheaper and you get to choose from some of our pre-templated vest wording, or you can choose your own worded vests like staff or student, etc. So you can find that on that page, but you've come to custom printing because you want your logo or you want to supply us some artwork and you want that printed on your vests. So there's two quick easy steps. One, we select our printing options, which is our location. So we're going to choose the back of our vest, we're going to choose 3 colors, and we're going to choose our Be Seen safety vest artwork. And so the number of colors isn't that important if you're ordering less than 50 vests, but if you're ordering more than 50, that becomes important. So please carefully check the number of colors in your logo and select it there. Instructions, please, if there's any custom text or printing instructions, please fill it in there. And we're today going to choose 7 vests to add to our cart. So that should appear up here very shortly. There you go. So we've got our file and 3-color print job. Now down here, all we're going to do is select what vests we want, and we'll make this easy for ourselves. Today we're going to select 7 purple vests, extra large, and add those to the cart. It's really as simple as that. There you go. If you want children's vests, they're on the next tab over. If you've got any questions, feel free to call us on that number right there. Thank you very much.